So I've come to Shires Head today. I've just parked on the A54, just in the lay-by on the road, and then I'm heading up this like farm track. It's less than a mile to Shires Head, so it should be a nice walk. Got my Crocs on, hiking footwear. So when I looked at the weather last night before I decided to come for this swim, it said it was going to be sunny today. There was no mention of any wind, but it's really windy. So when you get to this little farmhouse, you've got to take this gravel path up here. So leave the road at this point. So I'm just going to head over the bridge now and down there to get changed and then go for a little swim. It's still really windy here. So it's so shaded down there. As soon as I come up here, the sun's out. What a perfect end to a dip.